Now, last but not least, I want to make sure that when we delete the place, which I'll not do here, but in a second, that we also clean up the file that belongs to the place. And at the moment, we're not doing this. If we have a look at our places controller in delete place, we of course get rid of the place, we of course get rid of the connection to our user, but we're not getting rid of the image that belongs to the place. Now, we don't necessarily have to. We could also write a script which cleans up every month, or we do a manual cleanup, or we want to keep all the images because we're using them for some machine learning algorithms or anything like that anyways. But if you do want to clean it up, it's not too hard to do. Before we get rid of our place here, I'll get the image path here out of the place. In the place document, we can simply access this image key, right? Because that is where we do store our image path. So I get access to this image path, then I delete everything in the database, which is the important thing, because if deleting the image should fail for whatever reason, it's not that bad, it's okay, we can do a manual cleanup. So after all this database cleanup, I want to delete the place. Now for that, I will again import the file system package Node.js offers, because this gives us this unlink method. And with this imported, at the end here, at the end of delete place, we can call fs unlink and use our image path here, which I extracted from the document up there. So now this is what I want to delete. Unlink takes a second argument, a callback function, which might hold an error if things go wrong. Here I will just log it to the console. You could do more with it. I certainly don't want to wait for this to complete though. We could send the response in here to wait for this to complete, but I don't care. This deletion process is started, and as I said, if it should fail for whatever reason or something like that, it's not the end of the world. So with this added, if we now save this, and we go here to the front end, and I click delete and confirm this, it deletes it here. This looks good. We got no error here. And now if we go back to the backend, we see only one image, and that's our user image. The place image indeed is gone. And if we quickly have a look at Atlas, we should also see that there the places collection is empty. And if we have a look at our users, we got the user, but the place key was deleted from its places array. So this is now the cleanup finished, and this ensures that when we delete something, when we delete a place, we also delete the image that belongs to the place.